Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. I have today my Fabfitfun add-ons. My regular Fabfitfun box and my additional selections got so big that I thought I should probably go ahead and separate them. So this will be my add-ons to my spring Fabfitfun box. So I have about 10 things here. Let's just jump right in with a couple of things you guys already know I got. Are you placing bets yet? I have my signature detergent and my sport detergent. This one is the 32 ounce. I have had it quite a few times. I like it a lot. The sport detergent I've never actually tried before. The number 10 detergent from the laundress is my absolute favorite because of scent, but I like the scent of this one too. So let's open this up really quickly and see what it is. This is supposedly to use like with your yoga pants, and it works better with athletic style clothing, the fabrications of them. Oh, it smells really fresh and nice. That's probably what I love the most about these laundress detergents, and I can almost always pick them up. And now Boxy had it in their pop-up shop too, so it's everywhere. I didn't add it in my Boxy pop-ups. I was restrained. In case you don't know, when you are a Fabfitfun member, add-ons are a sale that they do. They do them every time a box comes out. They have an add-on sale where you can purchase the things that I'm getting ready to show you at a greatly reduced price. Like, I think I paid $11 for this, and it's normally in the 20s. I think this was $7 or something, and it's normally $18. Everything is just a really good sale. It's kind of like between boxes, between spring and summer, they'll do an edit sale. It's just that same thing, but this ships with your box. So they call it add-ons. Next, I have an R&Co Aircraft Pomade Mousse. And that is what that looks like. And since I have started using, and I just used the brush, I just unboxed the Fabfitfun box and I got the brush and I just used the brush, and I'm telling you, once I brush my hair, the curls immediately start to fall out. But to help that not happen before I brush it, I add a lot of stuff to my hair to give it a little staying powder. So I thought we would try this R&Co, and it says perfect for creating second day texture and the separation while retaining body. Rub between your hands and work through the hair. Yeah, I did not know that that's what it was for, but I am completely intrigued and will absolutely try it for that. Next, I have, and I took this out of the box, which by the way, this came in a huge box with my Fabfitfun box and all of my additional selections, which again, I'll put up here in case you missed it. I showed that yesterday, but this was in there. And when I took this out, I was like, yeah, I have no idea what that is. This is, I'll show you. This is another thing I got. It is the Daily Concepts Textured Scrubber. And this is, my husband loves these things. And so I buy them in every sale that they have. And it's just like a loofah, like a girl's loofah. I mean, I'm sure a lot of women use this too. But that is what it looks like. And it's just dual-sided. I can't use them because they're really aggressive. I find them to be like, they're scrubby. But they also had, I got two. They had this one and they had a different one, which I clearly did not read about enough because I think that's what's in this other box. I thought this was this. So I am clearly way off base, so let's get in here and see what this is. They tell you on Fabfitfun when you're purchasing. I just clearly did not read it well enough. This is the Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge, Mother of Pearl. It looks like it's just soap. Simply wet skin and soap sponge with warm water. Cleanse in a circular motion to lather. Use on body or face. Squeeze excess water from sponge after each use. This is what the bag looks like. You see how small it is? It's a tiny little, we're getting in here. This is not, I mean, it's very, very floral. It is not the scent my husband will use. So we will open this up and I will use it. Let's see what it is though. So I have 3 of whatever this is. What is it? I still, holding it in my hands, feel like I don't know. It looks like soap. If you've used one of these, if you could let me know what the story is. The back looks more like a sponge, but it feels like, I mean, my hand, I don't know if you can see, it's making my hand sticky. any assistance you could offer would be fantastic. If not, I'll try and find it on the internet. But if you could let me know below if you've ever tried this, that would be fantastic. So I have 3 of those, and it was $5. So it seems like a good deal. I don't know what it is, but it seems like a good deal. Next, and I am so happy with these because they looked little online, and I bought them hoping that when I got them here, they would be kind of small and not, you know, huge. They are Nicole Miller earrings. How pretty are those? They're so pretty. I am very happy with these. They're like $11, I think. I will try and find the prices on these and put them below for you guys, but I'm not sure that I can, but I will try. Next, I have the Oribe Smooth Style Serum. And the first thing I did when I got onto the add-on sale this time was I typed in the word Oribe. Because by the time, I mean, it's gone. It's just gone. It's one of those things that just... And I managed to pick up a couple of things, and then they were gone. But I got this is a much bigger bottle than I anticipated. It is the Smooth Style Serum Moisture and Hold. And it says, the finishing touch, work through hair where desired, use as a frizz taming refresher throughout the day. I just love the Oribe products. I just love them. Even the top is pretty. I mean, it's just all so pretty. Let me see what this smells like, although I suspect it's going to smell a little bit like that soap, as does everything up here now. But again, that is what that looks like, and you can see what the serum looks like. Oh, it smells fantastic. It smells like Oribe. It smells like the Oribe. I love the Oribe scents. I just love them. I love putting them in my hair and getting a waft of them through the day. Love it. And in that same vein, I also got the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. And I've had this before. I think probably in my Fabfitfun box is where I first tried it. And it was gone. It's long since gone. And it is just a really pretty dry shampoo. It smells exactly like this serum that I just put on the back of my hair is freshly clean, but I'm going to make it smell like Oribe. I love it. Oh, and look, even the top of the, I hope you can see that. Even the top is pretty. But these were like easily half price. I think better than half price. Yeah, I think this is normally like 42 or 46, and it was 17. Or, like I said, I will try and put them below for you. Next, I have the Pixi Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths Chamomile Rose. I just liked the way they looked. I liked the theory of chamomile rose, what they would smell like. I'm going to chuck them downstairs in my vanity, and they'll be there for, you know, I use these. I seldom use them to take all the makeup off my face, but I use the heck out of them. Like if I go out early in the day and I put on a matte liquid lip, and then you come home, and if you're going out again, it's hard sometimes to make that look fresh without taking it off and starting fresh. So I use these to take off matte liquid lip a lot. Next, I got a Ciate Glitter Storm lipstick. I forgot about that. That is what the box looks like. I haven't had one of these yet. This is in Spark. I feel like I chose the color. Oh, wow. That is what the bullet looks like. That is amazing. Oh, yeah, no, I did not choose this color. So either they ignored me or they selected. This is completely, it looks completely gold. Well, let's see what happens when I put it on my lips. That is amazing. Well, I don't know that I will wear this on its own. Oh, it smells really sweet and nice. Oh, that smells so good. I don't think I will choose to wear it on its own because it is a little warm for me, but I just put it over that pink and I don't mind the look, especially with the eye I have going on today. I feel like I have a thing. I like that. Next, I have an Elemis. I think it is a body situation. I honestly didn't realize it came in a bag. So let's open this baby up. I knew it was going to be small because I read the sizes. Although I have to tell you, I thought it was going to be smaller than that. Okay, so what I have is the Head to Toe Essentials. Now I have this cute little Elemis white bag just to have around to chuck stuff in. And this says, leave skin scented, soft, and moisturized with the luxurious Frangipani range. And this is the shower cream, and it is only 1.6 ounces. I knew that. It's very small. And this was still like, I want to say like $29, because you also got this Frangipani Manoi body oil. And this is 1.1 ounces also. And this is a body oil, so wonder how it opens. Oh, just the little fella. I was trying to twist that whole big silver thing off. Just that little fellow. That can't be right. I'm not sure what the story here is. It looks like there's hard oil. What's happening? It says after bathing, massage oil into damp skin. The problem is, and maybe it's because it's cold outside, and it just, oh, it smells so good. I scraped it out with my nail because look, I have this tiny little hole I'm working with here, and it's hard. The oil has hardened into the top. So hopefully, it doesn't feel very cold. Hopefully it was outside on the truck or something, and as it warms up, it will be easy to use, but it smells very nice, and it was very, very moisturizing. Okay, and then the last thing I have before my mystery bag is the Pure Pro by Etienne eyeshadow palette. And it is artist curated 18-piece eyeshadow palette. I got it because it was a really good deal, and I knew I would have all these giveaways going on, and I actually am getting ready when this ends, which go over and check it out and be sure I will be posting this. Yeah, so in theory, this ends tomorrow. I was trying to work out when I will post this video. I'm making it on Monday. So Tuesday will be my regular Fabfitfun. So this will go up Wednesday. So this will close tomorrow at 5 o'clock Eastern. So be sure and go over and register. Enter for it if you have any interest in entering. And then there's a million videos that you can get extra entries in, or follow me on Insta. Point being, when this is done, I'm going to do my Insta 500 giveaway. And I was looking at this toward that, but I think I'm going to put that Picante palette in it because it is gorgeous. Oh, this is pretty too, though. It's so pretty. This might actually work for me. I expected it to be way warmer than that. And that is just a really nice neutral palette that has a gorgeous, huge mirror on the back. That is pretty. I am going to put it back in its box until I decide whether I'm going to pass it on or use it. Okay, last but not least, I bought a mystery bag. I know, I can't believe it either. Last time I got a mystery bag, I said, as God is my witness, I will never. It's only been like 6 months, so never didn't last very long. So I have been able to see this one product on top. Last time I got like a keychain and anti-foot funk smell situation. Let's see what we got this time. Right on top. Let's get that in. I have this Aqua Acoustic Gabagoods speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker, and it hangs in the shower, and it looks wooden. I like that. That probably pays for my mystery bag. I think it was $29, right? Yeah, and they promise you like $100 in value. I did not get that last time, just so we're... This is cool. Built-in mic for hands-free calls. I think I'm going to be taking calls in the shower. I'm just saying. That is really cool. I am excited to have that. Okay, so all uphill from here, right? This is missing its, you know, it's white. I don't care. This Works Perfect Heels Rescue Balm. My heels always need rescuing. So a soothing balm with cotton thistle for cracked heels and dry feet. 2.5 fluid ounces. This looks like a lot more than 2.5 fluid ounces. It's super heavy. And woohoo, I just read the box and I can use it. 2 for 2, people. Mystery box, 2 for 2. So excited. Let's see what's next. Oh, found the top of my box. Okay, next I have Center Natural Habits. I have no idea what this is. It says, relieve headaches, increase clarity. Ingredients, jojoba oil, peppermint oil, frankincense oil, lavender oil, and wintergreen oil. And it is all organic. That is fantastic. I love essential oils. Now, I can't use this. I know. I know you guys get so tired of hearing that. It's a long story. Let's just say it's a long story. And the story ends, and I can't use wintergreen oil. This is so pretty. Let's see what it smells like. I bet it's fantastic. Oh, wintergreen. It smells like wintergreen gum. I have people, actually my husband will probably love this. So even though I can't use it, this is a fantastic product in a mystery bag by my standards. Now granted, maybe it's because they set my standards so low after last time, but I don't care. I don't care how we get there. This is a Skin Iceland Berry Fix Wintered Red Algae Balm. I think that I have actually had this in an Ipsy bag, teeny. And anybody who follows my channel knows there was no chance that I was going to get a full box and not have a balm in it. It just wasn't going to happen. I get balms in everything. Yeah, this is the Berry Lip Fix with Wintered Red Algae, and it is just a balm, a lip balm. And that's fantastic. I mean, I use them. I can always use. Oh, look, looks like my thing has eyebrows. Okay, I'm getting a little silly. I've been dating Fabfitfun for a while here. I'm really happy with my mystery box this time. I have to tell you, I'm happy with it. Okay, so that is it for my add-ons. I feel like I got really good add-ons. I got the laundress detergents that I love. I got the Oribe hair products that I love. I got my husband one of those little Daily Concepts things that he loves, and some bonus oddness for me that I will try and remember to talk about that over on my Instagram, because I'm seriously intrigued by what in the world is that. I have the nice mystery box, this glitter storm, this really pretty eyeshadow palette, and then I got that nice mystery bag. Happy, happy. Let me know below what you think of my mystery bag. I think it's fantastic. Again, I got the speaker, the heel cream, the nice headache oil, you know, but basically it's just an essential oil rub, and the skin lip balm. I definitely think that's worth $29. Okay guys, in theory, this is my last video where you can get an extra entry, because I do have a video going up tomorrow, but it's a collab, and I made it about a week ago, and I don't think I mentioned, because it was a collab, I don't think I mentioned the giveaway. So we need something for you guys to tell me. You know what? Just let me know below. If you watch my channel, you must like subscription boxes. So let's get away from this whole Fabfitfun situation and let me know below, what's your favorite subscription box? If you could only stick with one subscription box, which one would you keep? Or which one would you try? Just let me know something about subscription boxes below, and we'll do as an extra entry. Thank you so much for being here today, guys. I really appreciate the time you spend with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.